Welcome to Tring. We're kicking off our mini adventure at the stunning Natural History Museum. Housed in a gorgeous Victorian building, it holds the incredible private collection of Lionel Walter Rothschild. Let's go inside. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by an absolute spectacle of birds. From vibrant parrots to massive ostriches, the sheer variety and detail of these taxidermy displays are just breathtaking. Next up, the big predators. Look at the sheer size of this polar bear. And over here, the classic big cats. The lions and tigers are posed so dynamically, you can almost feel the power in their stances. The attention to detail in the fur and the glass eyes makes them look incredibly lifelike. It really captures the raw majesty of these apex predators. Now prepare for the giants of the animal kingdom. We're talking massive elephants, towering giraffes, and heavy-hitting rhinos. You've got camels strolling by, and even some giant crocodiles lurking in the displays. Seeing them lined up like this really puts into perspective just how magnificent these creatures are in the wild. Moving on to the plains and mountains. Here we have herds of wildebeest, graceful antelopes, and sure-footed mountain goats. A beautiful showcase of the world's most agile herbivores. Okay, time to look at the giants of the insect world. These are giant millipedes and centipedes. Some of these are huge, with dozens of legs and a rather intimidating posture. They look like absolute monsters. Definitely not something you want to find crawling across your bedroom floor. Let's wash that image out with some pure beauty. The butterfly collection here is spectacular. Thousands of delicate wings creating a stunning, colorful mosaic. The intricate patterns and vibrant colors are a perfect contrast to the creepy crawlies we just saw. Leaving the museum, we take a peaceful stroll through the Tring Memorial Garden. Opened in 1953 for the Queen's coronation, it's a beautifully kept, tranquil space dedicated to the town's war heroes. The flower beds are lovely, offering a quiet place to reflect on the history of this charming market town. Now, it's time to head to Tring Reservoir. But fair warning, this is a bit of a trek. Seriously, it feels like a solid 40-minute walk. Just keep putting one foot in front of the other. Look at the countryside rolling by, but honestly, if your feet are aching or you're just not up for the hike, do yourself a favor and grab an Uber. But if you've got the stamina, the views are actually pretty great. Keep walking and walking and we made it, Tring Reservoir. After that walk, you've definitely earned the view. It's a massive, serene body of water and a haven for local wildlife. The reservoir was originally built to supply the canal, but today it's a vital nature reserve. The peaceful atmosphere here is the perfect reward. Take a moment to just listen to the birds and enjoy the fresh Hertfordshire air. To wrap up our adventure, we're following the water to the Grand Union Canal. This historic waterway is the lifeblood of the area. Watching the colorful narrowboats chugging slowly past is incredibly relaxing. The towpath is perfect for a leisurely stroll, and you can really imagine what life was like for the boatmen centuries ago. The gentle sound of the water creates the perfect soundtrack to wind down.